This is a video to show how to upload your images for a competition. First, you need to log in. Click the login button, and hopefully you've already registered with us. So just type in your login name, and your password, and click login. You can see now I'm logged in to the UpLoader website, and you go under competitions, submit images to a competition. Now we've got a couple competitions going. These two are the current ones. These two are ones that will be going on next week. So you pick the ones that you want to enter. The first one I want to enter is color open projected. You can tell that you're allowed up to 3 images and that the closing date is Thursday, August 3rd. So select that competition. You get this screen here, which explains the rules for the competition, and that the image size should be 2100 pixels on the longest side, and that your title length can't be longer than 30 characters. Now you go to upload images into the competition. That gives you this screen here, which tells you which competition you're entering and how many images you have left to enter. You click the select button to be able to select your images. Now I already take my images, I put them into a folder so that they're sized and ready to go, and I keep that on my desktop. So I just have to navigate to my desktop, click on, this is the one for my open section, click on it. There are my 3 images. You can select all 3 by clicking on the first one and shift clicking on the last to select all of them, and click choose. You will now see the 3 images down here, at least the titles. You can see that they're uploading, and it takes just a short time to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you get 3 green dots, you're good to go. Now you can click Save Images and proceed to the Edit page. What that does is it brings you to this page here where you can now title your image. This one here happens to be Hyde's Mill. This one pulls a lot of the information from the title in your metadata. So if you've already titled it in your metadata, it will show up here, just like it has here, and the same as this one here. I use the title section in metadata to title all my images so that it makes it easier for when I enter a competition. Once you have all 3 of these correct, you click the Save Any Changes and return to the original page. On the original page, you will see the 3 images that you have uploaded, and down here a box saying additional submissions are blocked because you have reached the maximum number of images you can submit to this competition. So you can't enter any more than the 3. So you're allowed the 3. Now, if you want to change or replace the images, you may do that before the deadline for the competition, and you would just click this button here and replace it with whatever other image you wanted to do. When you're done with that, you can go back up to the top to competitions and click on the next one. And here I want to enter color open small print. So you can click the select button and again upload images into the competition. Select the images. Now I'm going back to my desktop and I have my general digital for small print. Again, I can select all 3 images. Click choose. Wait for them to upload. You have to wait for them to upload. That's important. And as you can see, it doesn't take long to upload. Once you get the 3 green dots, save images and go to the edit page. Here I didn't put the title in yet because it's a brand new image for me. So I can enter that. This one I've used before and this one I've used before, so I've got the titles already entered. Once I'm done and happy with it all, I can save any changes and return. And again, you get the 3 images. You can replace them if you want to later on, up to the deadline of the image, of the competition, I should say. And then down here, now you've got an extra one that says additional submissions are blocked because you've reached the maximum amount of images that you can put into the competition group. So this means I've entered completely the whole competition. When the Wacko competition happens, you actually have quite a few more competitions that you can enter, but you'll get the same dialog box when you've filled in one full section, and when you have all the sections full, it will warn you that you have all the sections full. When you're done, one nice thing with the prints, since we do have you upload the prints, you can print labels for your print submission to put onto the back of your images. So just click that button and you get a couple of choices, either Avery 5164 labels or 4x5 paper tags. The 4x5 paper tags works pretty nice. And then you can just click Generate Report. And what's really nice here is that you've got 4x5 inch pieces of paper that you can then send to your printer, and you've got everything done. It tells you the section that it's in, what competition, the title, the person that entered it. So you have everything. You don't have to write anything on the back of the prints. You can just tape this to the back of your submissions for color prints and you're ready to go. Right up here you do have a printer button that you can hit. Otherwise you can export it as a number of different type of files. PDF is probably the one you'd like to use the most. But this is a really nice new feature in this uploader. So for any of the prints, you can print this out. You can actually then use it for the back of your pictures, and you're set to go. So that's how you enter a competition and submit your images. Hopefully that will help you and for the next competition.